Hey guys, welcome back to Build with Nick. I'm Nicolay Abano, and today we're gonna go through the first episode of Handover. So we're gonna go through this house in Cloverdale. It is roughly 303 square meters lot, and the house area is around 175. Sorry, the roof area is 175 square meters. Let's go inside. Onto your right side, that one is your garage. It can fit 2 cars, and you can put 2 more cars on the driveway. With the driveway, in our package, the paving for the driveway and the crossover over there is already included. Okay, now let's go inside. Alright guys, so come in. When you walk through the house, you can see the home theater onto your right. It's very spacious, and it is across the road. Okay, so let's go outside, and then as you can see, you have a very spacious hallway. This one is at least 1.2 meters, so you can pull out a lot of things from this hallway. So you can get your furniture, your table. You don't have to go to the garage in order to get your things. The next room is the bedroom number 2 and bedroom number 3. All of them has carpet. At the same time, they have blinds already. These blinds is Venetian blinds. Onto this side, there is a glass sliding door as well. So a bit of an overview. You have a clothing hanger already and a few bench on top. All right. Okay. So as you can see, the tiles of this house is 600 by 600 rectified glossy tiles. I believe the color scheme is white marco or white marble something. Okay, so let's go to the master bedroom, which is here. It's fully carpeted as well, and they have a generous amount of walk-in closet, which is here. So you can put all of your clothes, and you can probably put the clothes for the her and clothes for the his. Who needs a big, walk-in closet for the boys anyways? Mainly for the wife or for the partner. Okay, so this one is your ensuite toilet. You have 2 sinks and 2 separate glass. So maybe you can go over here, Joel, and that's your shower screen and your toilet side. Okay, let's proceed with the other part of the house, which is the common bathroom and the common toilet. So we have the common toilet over here. We got the window for the common toilet. It's basic toilet, I would say. And you have your common bathroom. So I really like the design of this wooden cupboards, and they have the sink and the faucet and the bath, and of course the shower screen. Alright, let's go to the most exciting part of the house, which is the common area. We got the kitchen onto your left and the living room and dining room onto your right. As you can see, with the kitchen, it's fully white. I really like the simplicity of the design. You have your cupboards over here, and your dishwashing recess onto the right side. And the most important thing for the kitchen is obviously the hot plate, the oven, and the range hood. And we have a few more cupboards on top. So you have a lot of space where you can put your kitchen equipment your plates, cutleries, and food. You have a walk-in pantry as well on the side. And most likely, the client will put the fridge under the space. So they have more space for the fridge. They can either put a cupboards on top as well. Alright, we have the laundry area over here. And we have the walk-in linen. So you can put your bed sheet and other, things that you really need. And we have a sink. All of their bench top are stone. So the kitchen bench top, the laundry bench top, and the toilet, all of them are stone. Alright. So we're gonna go outside, which is the alfresco area. I hope this one is not locked. It is not. Alright guys, so we have an alfresco area on this side. The good thing about this house is you have a bit more space for your landscaping if you want to do some gardening or put more chairs. Yeah. Okay, so the alfresco, I believe, is 28 course ceiling. While the kitchen, living room, dining room, the common area, there are 31 course ceiling. Alright, let's go inside. Alright guys, so we're gonna go to the kitchen area. As you can see, the client put outlet in the overhang, so it's quite good. So if you want to charge your phone, you can easily charge it. You don't have to go to any outlet. And they have windows over here. All of the windows are covered with Venetian blinds. Alright, so the good thing about this location, which is Cloverdale, it is only 10 to 15 minutes away from the city, and roughly I would say 10 to 12 minutes away from the airport. At the same time, there's a park right around the corner, and then it's 5 minutes away from Belmont Shopping Center. Alright guys, that is the first episode of Key Handover. So the client, we are expecting the client to move in within 1 week or 2 weeks from now. I hope you learned something, and stay tuned for the next episode of Key Handover. Yeah, if you have any question, please comment below. If you haven't liked the video, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And yeah, if you have any friends who's planning to build a house, I would highly recommend if you can share this video so they know what's the process of building a house in Australia. That's it for now, and I will see you next time. Bye.